Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm happy to announce a new giveaway sponsored by Hobbymate. Recently I reviewed the Toolkit RC M8 multifunctional charger, a pretty small device that can of course charge your batteries but can also perform other tasks, and in case you haven't seen my review, you can check it out in the link over here. So Hobbymate just rebranded this charger and they call it the Hobbymate D6 Elite. Everything except the name is identical, and you can also find this product in the US Amazon store, so in case you live in the US, you can get it in a few days. Now one thing that I didn't show you when I reviewed the Toolkit RC M8 charger is how to calibrate it. So if you want to do it, all you have to do is just to press the OK button, power it up. The charger is going to boot to the screen, and then you can just plug a battery to the output port. Then you can calibrate each cell individually. So let's say, for example, we want to set this cell to 4 volts. You can just rotate the dial until it's going to reach 4 volt. Press OK to confirm. You can also calibrate the input voltage. And if you want to save the settings, press save. And if you don't want to save it, just press exit. In order to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is to make sure to be subscribed to my channel, hit the notification bell, so in case you're the winner, you're not going to miss out, and you also need to register to HobbyCool's website. Once this video will reach 1000 views, I'm going to announce the winner, who is going to win this charger, which is going to be sent directly from Hobbymate. I would like to thank Hobbymate for sponsoring this giveaway, and I'll see you soon on my next videos. Goodbye.